Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Soo hyun and IU fortune harmony analysis. Soo hyun and IU have applied for a fortune harmony analysis. A YouTube subscriber has applied. Their fortune is very good, but it's a fortune that lacks social skills. What kind of fortune harmony does it have? Let's analyze it together. Soo hyun is a jewel in fortune. Julie has many thoughts of being special and shining everywhere. He has the energy to meet his precious spouse. Also, there is a strong and rough energy that goes well with action. IU is a candle in her fortune. Candles are thoughtful and warm-hearted. IU has a lot of fortune because the letters corresponding to wealth are very good. Candles are hit between heat and light. Julie hates the heat of candles. It's not a good meeting at the first stage. Soo hyun input energy is located nearby. This input energy is the energy that gives unrealistic imagination. The letters then mean wealth and women are powerful. Therefore, he will meet a very smart wife. His fortune is strong in letters that mean women and wealth. But she can be a little burdensome for Soo hyun. Soo hyun's wealth is accumulated one by one. And there's also a powerful input energy. If the previous input energy gives unrealistic imagination, this input energy gives a good, sincere, and exemplary image. His fortune is a very calm-looking fortune structure, but he has a strong unrealistic imagination and a strong energy that goes well with action. Therefore, I think it goes well with unrealistic dramas and historical dramas. IU must be competitive and jealous because she has the same letters as herself right next to her. And letters of the same energy as herself are united with the letters of wealth. It's a good structure where her efforts accumulate directly into wealth, and the energy is flowing directly into the letters that mean man. However, she is in conflict with the letters that means a woman, man. I also acts, so if she takes the role of acting in that situation, she can overcome it. They don't have letters that correspond to art. The letters also correspond to speaking ability and social ability, and they lack such sociability that it is difficult to approach easily because they are not people who express their feelings honestly in words, and the images of each other's spouses don't look good together. I will give them 83% for their fortune harmony. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.